the rubber in these old cars just crumbles away. I'm gonna see if I have any vacuum leaks in my 1986 Corvette, and I'm gonna teach you how to make your own vacuum leak test kit for under $10. You might already even have all of these items. You might have to purchase nothing. Arts and crafts time. Make sure it's sealed in there. I have an old blood pressure cuff inflator. You can use anything that will push air. Bike pump, no air compressors or anything like that. Low PSI. Could you buy one of these machines? Absolutely. But I thought the same thing. They're a lot more expensive than I would have thought. So now we're just going to add in the large vacuum line, be the one that'll actually attach to the vehicle. Now it's been 10 years. This has all dried. So we're going to undo the lid. We're going to just really make sure there is no leaks. We're going to put our soldering iron tip back in. We can get our jar set up. So you want to take a rag, any rag, doesn't matter. Make sure it's dry, not coated with anything. We're going to use baby oil. I'm going to just pour till it looks pretty good. Put the lid on our jar and voila.